welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Rubbyca. Welcome, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Today we are going to get into this wig review from LUVME Hair. I just want to show you guys what they sent in the box. This is the hair right there. The name is No Fabulous Beyond Celebrity Style Ombre Frontal Lace Wig. Perimeter of this wig is 22.5 inches, which is a standard size, and you do get enough lace to do any style with this wig. You have lace in the back, and you also have two straps to secure this wig, also the adjustable straps. And I love the highlights as on the side. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's 1B27. And now we are getting ready to put this wig on, and this is the color of the lace on my hands. It's actually almost, I'm using this ebony spray just so I can get the hair to blend in perfectly with my skin complexions. And this is how it looks right here. It's almost the same. I'm using the Got To Be glue. And cut the lace off camera. As you can see, guys, the lace is pretty thin, and the ebony spray makes it perfect with my skin complexions. And I love the fact that the lace is thin. That means that it's gonna blend in perfect with my skin. You're not even gonna tell that if I'm wearing a wig. And the wig was actually still too big for my head, so I went ahead and we adjusted again. This wig is so big for my head. I normally buy wigs around the same perimeter. It's just so shocking to me that how the wig is so big. But then again, I love the fact that you have enough lace that I don't have to be worried about the side just going backward. So I am so in love with this wig so far. So let's see how they do. So we're gonna fix it. We're gonna definitely make it work. Getting ready to cut the baby hair. I'll be showing you guys how I cut my baby hair. So let me know in the comment below what you think, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And please don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you think about this hair so far. Let me know what you think, guys. The hair density is 150%, and the hair length is 22 inches long. It is pre-plucked. And the hair material says 100% from one donor. And can you guys see how I melt this lace into my scalp, guys? Can you see this? Can you see this? You can't even tell that I'm wearing a wig. I'm using this eyebrow cutter just to cut my baby hair. We are going to slay this wig, guys. So let's keep going. Don't stop in, no stopping out here, so let's keep moving. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep moving. As I stated, the wig is too big for my head, so we are going to cut the side just so we can make it fit, okay? This is the mousse that I'll be using to slay this baby hair, and I'm also gonna add a little bit of the Got To Be glue on top of it just so I can make this baby hair last, honey, okay? And can you guys see that? Can you guys tell that I'm wearing a wig? I'm slaying this baby hair. I am slaying this baby hair. I'm trying to make this baby hair as natural as possible. I love the fact that this wig is too big for my head, so now I don't have to be worrying about my hair looking bulky in the back or not having enough lace for the side. just cutting a little bit more. That's exactly what I'm looking for, that natural look, okay? Wiping off the got to be glue residue from my forehead, and I'll be using a little bit foundation just to blend in my makeup, and also add a little bit foundation towards the lace so I can make it as natural as possible. And I'm also going to be using the LA Pro concealer towards the lines just so I can make it as natural as possible. This hair takes heat very well. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. Just trying to style the front a little bit more. Can you see the curls? Hello natural. There we go again. She's feeling herself. She's feeling herself. This is the finished look, guys, and as you can see, I'm all dressed up, so I am ready to just show you guys what I look like. This hair is gorgeous. It was a little bit difficult to put it on, but listen, we're melted down. We're melted down. Look at that baby hair, guys. Look at this hair. What wig? What wig? By the way, guys, what you think about my eyeshadow? My pants is from Fashion Nova, and the top is from a company. I will be listing the link down below. I love this beautiful top. It's very styling. I love the 3 holes open on that long sleeves, and I love the fact that the other side of the sleeve is sleeveless. Let me know in the comment below, guys, what you think about my outfit. I bought my earrings from Amazon from this seller called Mary XD. And my heels is from Fashion Nova as well. I bought that one a year ago, so they probably don't have it in stock anymore. And my glasses is from Aldo. Let me know what you think in the comment below, from the hair to the outfit to the glasses to the heels to everything that I am wearing. Let me know what you think about this whole video idea, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is it, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next one. Bye bye.